Hello everyone, let's make brown sugar. In a bowl you add 3 cups of white sugar and a tablespoon of molasses. You can use this for your cookies, cakes and any recipe that requires the use of brown sugar. To allow the molasses to mix properly, you'd have to use your hand. So I switched from the whisk to my hand so everything is mixed very well. When you get a golden brown color, you know your sugar is ready to be used. If you want it darker, you double the molasses, and if you want it lighter, you reduce the molasses, that is, you use half a tablespoon. Please store it in an airtight container to avoid it from becoming hard. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.